Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel today, and as always, welcome to another case study of my lead gen secrets. As you can see, we are staring at Clickbank right now, and thank you guys so much for joining me on another case study video of my lead gen secrets. But before we go into checking my stats, checking any other thing else, if you are just joining, first thing I will uh I just want to ask you guys to like subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and turn on the notification icon because you don't want to miss any of my videos as I come out with them. So with that being said, sorry about that. Let's dive right into today's video. And yeah, so if you're just joining in, my legit secrets, we are doing a case study video actually, to get my first sale on Clickbank using my legend secrets. And you might be asking, what is my legend secret? So my legend secret is a mailing system that gives you 100 leads a day for $1 for 30 days. That's basically what my legend secret is all about. No need to complicate the whole thing. And like I said, these leads are only interested in business opportunity offers. It will not work for any other category. It might work, but it might not really convert, right? People might actually click on it, but these leads are hungry for make money online offers, like hot offers, how to make money online, showing them how to make money online, make money online on the internet. And these offers, you can find them on Clickbank, you can find them on Warrior Plus, you can find them on JVZoo, you can find them on Digital 24, you can find them on where else? Warrior Plus, I've mentioned Warrior Plus. There's so many marketplaces out there. Even softwares like Get Response, MailerLite, they all have affiliate programs. You can actually try and promote it to these leads because they are looking to make money online. So that's just basically it. That's what my legend secret is all about. So if you want to join in on my legend secret, there will be in the link in the description below, right? You'll be brought over to this page, right? It's going to be able to write up. Then you brought over to this page, then you click on use my secret now, right? You input an email address. I'll just write some gibberish here. As always, then I'll click here to get started. Then let's give it a second, let it load up. Okay, I didn't click that, so okay, so I wonder why it's not going. Okay, sorry about that. All right, okay, so you brought over to this page and you fill in your name. Obviously you want to change up this email, your name, your password, confirm your password, your first name, your last name. Then you want to, how did you find us? You can write my name there. You can just say Jeremiah's Marketing. That could really go well. And the whole system is $60 a month, right? Which is broken down into $30 for your setup fee, which is the mailing system. Sorry about that. Then $30 for your leads every month. That's basically what is the cost of that is. So everything amounts to $60. Like I said, you cannot just download these emails and upload them to Get Response, MailerLite, Aweber, Clearview, and all those automation software out there. They won't allow you send out emails because they won't just allow that. So $60 a month. So you just need to just invest in yourself and take action on this. Like, people are actually really killing it with the system. Like, and once you join the system, you can go and join the paid Facebook group on Facebook. So on the paid Facebook group, there are people that are killing it there. People have about 8 accounts. That's crazy. Some people have about 10 accounts. Yeah, that's the max I've seen so far. 10 accounts, like, it's crazy, and they're really killing it. And after the $60 a month, sorry about that, you are going to be paying $30 subsequently. So you will no longer be paying $60 a month. You'll be paying $30 a month for every 30 days. So, and that's just basically it. You fill in your card information and you click let me in. And if you haven't seen my video on the walkthrough about the system, the video will be up my channel. I can leave it in the description below for you guys so that you can go check how to navigate your way through in the dashboard, because it might be new to you. Then, as always, for my Nigerian brothers, if you are Nigerian and you have heard so much about my legend secrets and you want to get in on the system, you cannot use your card, so you are going to use a system called company called Wallet Africa. They give you guys free VCCs, no, yes, free VCCs actually. Then you can see they give you free virtual cards, You can request for a physical loan if you want, but I won't really recommend that. Lower transfer fees, I'm not really sure about that. Then you can actually get cashbacks on airtimes and all that kind of good stuff. Then you get a virtual account. Then so as at the time I got my own, I got dollar at the rate of 602, but here you can get dollar at the rate of 605. Now I checked like 2 days or 3 days ago, like you can get dollar at 605. So this for my Nigerian people out there. So if you're in the United States, it doesn't apply to you. So that's all there is to know about my Legion secrets. Sorry about that. So with that being said, let's dive right into my Clickbank account and let's also log in to check the stats if you made any sales. No. Um. Let's log in and see. So just and also if you guys want the Clickbank account and you're in a restricted country, there will also be a link in the description below for you guys to check out my um Clickbank video I did made about a year ago that goes over how you can get the Clickbank account. Basically for you know for free, but it just there are some steps you have to follow to get the Clickbank account like that. Okay, so let's log in to see if you got a sale. Um, let's hold up. Wow, I made my first sale, guys. I made my first sale, my first ever sale. Like this is crazy. So I made my first sale. You guys can see this proof in the pudding. It actually does work, you know. And I made my first sale with that product you guys saw there, which was I think which was Right Up Reviews. That's the product there. I made my first sale. I was not even really expecting it. Like $11.04. So I made my first sale, guys. How do I feel right now? I feel happy, I was actually pained. Always trying to mail out system all day, mailing, and I don't really get anything in return. But like I said, this system not a get rich quick system, right? It's something you have to stay with and keep mailing every day, every day, every day. So now this is just the first step, right? This will not pay for my next month, right? It won't pay yet for it, but right, hopefully I might be able to make enough to be able to pay for this system next month, right? So I made my first sale using Write Up Reviews. Um, So I think I'll still keep mailing the same products. Maybe I will. I don't really know. So let's go check reporting real quick to see how we did. I'm going to go back to my handy dandy notes and I'm going to make documents and see what's up. Okay, so we had a total of okay. That's a total of 2 hops, right? Then we and the hops was 0.05. That's initial earnings. Then hops per click, same 5 cents. Okay. Other conversion from say $2. I mean, what's this? I get 2%. Right. Honestly, I don't really understand all these metrics. I'll tell you the truth. But hey, they are just statistics, and I made my first sale. All right, made my first sale. I'm really happy about that. I'm actually home right now. Okay, so that's that about that. This is just the start for that we did. So you guys, let me log into my Legion secret account just to show you guys. Real quick, I click on members login, you know, and I'll scroll down to log into my account. Okay. Um. I'll click on login. All right, so it was this one that actually got me the sale. This I don't really know if it is this copy actually, but I'll still keep promoting the product, right? So we had 232 opens out of 1,000. I think it was 1,400 people with message emailed. Then we had 26% clicked, 15% open rates, and 11% click through rate. I still don't really understand how they get these leads. I'm still trying to wrap my head around the whole thing. So, guys, if you guys are still contemplating on joining this system, this is proof in the pudding. You guys should Let me go back to my dashboard. You guys should get in on the system. There will be a link in the description below for you guys to get in on the system. Sorry. There'll be proof in the sorry. There'll be a link in the description below for you to get in on the system. There's proof in the pudding. You guys check getting on the system. Like okay, I made that 1,500 leads, right? And I got this. So with that being said, I'll still mail out the same product to see what's up. So what I will do is, sorry, sorry about that, guys. Kind of feel somehow today. I kind of feel under the weather today. Okay, so let's now do is I click on marketplace. Then the same products we'll be promoting is as always write up reviews. And I said what you'll be promoting to these guys are the e-business and e-marketing space. It won't work for anything. I won't really recommend. Maybe you can try computers and internet, but I just prefer just promote products that are actually doing well. So like and people are talking about it social page is really converting, but for now I think I'll just stick with write up reviews. So I'll click on first I want to click on the affiliate page. Then as always you want to go over to the email swipes. Then next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down. I think you should probably email 6. Let me check. I think it's email 5. Okay, okay, so we are doing for email 7 today. Do you want to work independently? So I'll copy this. Then next thing I want to do is I want to go to my mail, go over to my mailing system. Then the first thing I'll do, I'll select all the leads here. Make sure you leave it as mail by date, right? 1,600 leads today in total. And next thing you want to do is you want to okay, you want to paste the subject here. You can use Ctrl V and come back here. So then you're going to copy the body. Guys, this is how simple this thing is. And come here. No, what am I doing? Like I'm supposed to delete this whole thing. I want to copy it. Okay, so just delete it. Then I'll Control V, and this email is actually quite short, quite short. Then next thing I want to do is I want to grab the code like I said, but all these emails they have names and you want to address them by like dear James or hi Mary or hi John or hi Micah or anything like that. So I want to address them by their first name, so I'll do this. I'll paste this here. Then my signature I'll change it to Jeremiah, right? Then next thing I want to go and do is generate my hop link. So what I'll do is I'll click on this one. I'll write MLGS and I'll create uplink and I'll copy this. Then I'll highlight this, click here to apply. Then I'll have hyperlink the text, and I'll paste it over here. Then I'll just hit OK. Then we are good to go, and that's how easy it is, guys. This is how you mail out. Very simple. You don't really need to overthink the process. When I first got into the system, like I'm just like you. I just got into the system and I don't know, I did not know how to navigate my way, but I just followed the videos. So okay, so that's basically it. Then what I'll do is I'll click on preview to see how the email is. Okay, so we are currently building a team of app testers in your country. I thought you should part of it. Click here to apply below. If you can work independently 5 hours a week and 300 platform. So I'll close it and I'll click on perfect timing. We are mailing out 1,600 leads. So then I'll send mail. So my email has been queued, and I should be able to view it in the statistics section. So what I'll do is I'll scroll up and go to statistics. So as you can see, I've sent out 1,600 mails today. So till tomorrow, before I'm able to send another one. So that's basically the gist of the story, guys. Let me go back to my dashboard. So that's basically the gist of the story. As you can see, there's proof in the pudding. You guys should, if you want to, and I actually even made the sale on the 28th. Wow, like that was like yesterday, I guess. So it's 29th. Okay, that was yesterday. So you guys should get in on the system if you want. As you can see, there's proof in the pudding. I hope I get the sale. Keep getting more sales, and you can join me on this journey as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm really grateful that you guys have come back to watch my content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Yeah, bye for now.